Hey there, homeowners and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to Jhotek Electrical. My name is Joseph, and I'm a licensed electrician with years of experience. At Jhotek Electrical, we're committed to providing top-notch electrical services and educating our community on electrical safety. Today, we're going to talk about something very important, electrical safety tips. Let's get started. Electricity. It powers our homes, our lives, our world. We often take it for granted, but it's a powerful force that demands respect. Electrical mishaps can lead to serious consequences, even death. It's not about living in fear, it's about understanding the risks and taking simple, preventative measures. As a home inspector, I've seen it all: DIY disasters, hidden dangers, and careless mistakes. Our mission in Jhotek Electrical is to empower homeowners with the knowledge to create a safe environment for themselves and their families. Remember, safety isn't about being an electrician, it's about being informed. This guide will give you practical tips and insights to keep your home safe from electrical hazards. Let's get started. Before tackling any electrical work, always cut the power at the source. This is the most crucial step to ensure your safety. This means turning off the circuit breaker at the electrical panel. Make sure you know which breaker controls the area you'll be working on. Don't rely on just flipping a switch. A switch might not cut off all power to the circuit. Invest in a voltage tester. This handy tool can confirm whether the power is truly off. It's an inexpensive tool that can save lives. You can find one at any hardware store. Use it to double-check that the power is truly off before working on any wires or outlets. Never touch exposed wires, even if you think the power is off. Electricity can't always be seen, and what you can't see can hurt you. Always be cautious. If you encounter exposed wiring, call a licensed electrician immediately. Do not attempt to fix it yourself. Water and electricity are a dangerous mix. Even a small amount of water can cause a serious hazard. Keep electrical appliances away from sinks, bathtubs, and other water sources. This simple step can prevent accidents. Always unplug appliances when not in use, especially in damp environments. This reduces the risk of electrical shock. Flickering lights aren't just an annoyance, they can be a sign of a serious electrical problem. This could be due to a variety of issues ranging from minor to severe. Loose connections, overloaded circuits, or even faulty wiring could be the culprit. Don't ignore them. These issues can escalate quickly if not addressed. Warm or discolored outlets are another red flag. This is often a sign that something is wrong behind the scenes. This indicates that the outlet is overheating, which could lead to a fire. Overheating is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. If you notice this, immediately stop using the outlet and call us. It's better to be safe than sorry. Burning smells coming from appliances or outlets should never be ignored. This could be a precursor to a more dangerous situation. This is a sure sign of an electrical fire hazard. Immediate action is necessary to prevent potential disaster. Turn off the power to the affected area and call us right away. Quick response can make all the difference. Circuit breakers that trip frequently are trying to tell you something. They are a built-in safety feature designed to protect your home. It's their way of preventing an overload which could damage your appliances or even start a fire. Pay attention to these warnings. Don't just keep resetting the breaker. Investigate the source of the overload. Understanding the root cause can help prevent future issues. Section 4. Practical electrical safety tips for everyday living. In this section, we will cover essential tips to ensure your home remains safe from electrical hazards. Make sure your electrical cords are in good condition. Regularly inspect them for any signs of wear and tear. Check for fraying, cuts, or exposed wires. Replace damaged cords immediately to prevent potential electrical fires. Never run cords under carpets or rugs where they can be easily damaged and overheat. Don't overload outlets, as this can lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. Use power strips with surge protectors when multiple devices need to be plugged in. This helps to protect your devices from power surges. Be mindful of how much power each appliance uses. Overloading circuits can cause them to trip or even start a fire. Keep electrical appliances away from heat sources. This includes stoves, ovens, and space heaters. Heat can damage electrical components and create a fire hazard. Always ensure that your appliances are placed in safe locations. Heat can damage electrical components and create a fire hazard. Test your GFCIs regularly to ensure they are functioning properly. GFCI stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. These are crucial for preventing electrical shocks. These outlets are designed to protect you from electrical shock in wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms. They are essential for safety in these high-risk areas. Test them monthly by pressing the test button. This ensures they are working correctly and can protect you when needed. Section 5. Childproofing your home, protecting the most vulnerable. Children are naturally curious, and electrical outlets are like magnets to them. Install tamper-resistant outlets to prevent them from inserting objects into the slots. Keep electrical cords and appliances out of reach of children. This includes phone chargers, lamp cords, and power tools. Consider using cord organizers or hiding cords behind furniture. Teach children about electrical safety from a young age. Explain that electricity is dangerous and should never be played with. Use simple language they can understand. Section 6. When in doubt, call a professional. Your safety is our priority. Remember, working with electricity is best left to the professionals. If you're unsure about any electrical work, don't hesitate to call or text us at Jhotek Electrical on 081627000259. A qualified electrician will have the knowledge, experience and tools to diagnose and repair electrical problems safely and effectively. Attempting DIY electrical work can put you and your family at risk. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place of comfort and safety. By following these electrical safety tips, you can create a secure environment for yourself and your loved ones. That's it for today's video on electrical safety tips. Remember, safety should always be your top priority when working with electricity. At Jhotek Electrical, we're dedicated to providing safe and reliable electrical services. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and stay safe.